Piping Engineer, a tool by DiRoots, allows you to easily design and edit civil 3D piping networks in an easy-to-use worksheet type user interface. So as you can see here, you can either select the pipes by structures or network or pipe run, set it to initial run. So we'll say for initial run, we want to start here and down here. So it's a run now. And if you look here, your elevation and slope come in automatically. You can change your preferences and add all this other information. And you'll see that we have more data now. You can go over here to default and load a preset that was done ahead of time. To surface, you can see invert. Now we'll check it by cover over pipe. And this is quickly giving us values that we would have to otherwise hunt for. So now I can Control A, select these, and base it on proposed surface. So now you can see it tells me what my cover is over my pipe. And as you can see here, based on preset rules, it turns this red because I don't have appropriate cover over my pipes. And you can see that the maximum pipe cover of 25 meters is violated by a little over 6 meters. You can also quickly change this. Let's say we want to come down 2 meters. Change this, -2. Select all these pipes and hit this. And you can see that it drops everything down by 2. Next, in the Elevation Design tab, I can control sanitary or storm sewer. I can raise or lower pipes like we did earlier. I can design pipes by invert, center line, or crown. I can put drops between a pipe. So I can say 0.1 here. I can hold my highest or lowest point. So let's say I want to hold my highest point. It's going to hold the highest point, and you'll see they'll change these automatically to what I want them to be based on the percentage. So let's say we want to change this to -1%. And you'll see kind of a dramatic change here in the profile. There you go. Pretty cool. So if I didn't do that, it would be a lot more labor intensive. I'd have to measure this and be much more precise about how I'm drawing this. And Piping Engineer makes it so much easier. So I could go in here and change the start to match this end. And this one too. And hit apply and see everything kind of works out now. Also, I can export this to Excel, which is helpful because it can be imported later. You can also use find and replace to find things. I can use first last. I can use match case. I can sort this by column. Let's find P space 4 here, which is the name of our pipe. And we'll replace it with pipe 4. Hit replace and it changes it over here. So very useful stuff.